Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me.
Now the topic is women almost disconnected. A caste panchayat in Rajasthan's Jalore district banned women's access to smartphones, revoking the ban when faced with outrage. While the village head said it was the women who demanded it because the children overuse them, some women say it's about control. So let's quickly look at what exactly is written here. So in a village in Rajasthan, Jalore district, a caste panchayat, a traditional village council, announced that women should not use smartphones. They said phones were spoiling children and harming family values. Now, this decision caused anger and outrage because smartphones help women study, work, stay informed, and stay connected. Now, banning phones only for women is unfair and discriminatory. It takes away women's freedom and independence. After the issue became public, the decision was criticized nationwide. Authorities and human rights bodies stepped in. The ban was revoked, meaning the women were allowed to use phones again. The incident shows that even today, women in some areas are denied basic rights, especially when tradition is used to control them. Now, a caste panchayat meets. So, under a shiny pink shamiana, standing Amin, men in white shirts, dhotis, and turbans, all part of the Chaudhary caste panchayat, Himmata Ram read a diktat from a piece of paper, which is समाज में बहु बेटियों के पास कैमरा वाला फोन नहीं रहेगा, मोबाइल बिना कैमरे वाला जिससे बातचीत हो सके वो रख सकती हैं. Women and girls from our community will no longer use phones with cameras. They can use phones and cameras on which conversation is possible, he said. He added that girls who are studying can use smartphones at home but not step out of their houses with one, not even into the neighbor's house. Now, this video went viral on social media and viewers across the globe condemned the decision, and some even compare it to the functioning of the Taliban in Afghanistan. When word about the diktat got out, the press descended on the Jalore to speak to women and men. Now let us look at why this whole news is very important for civil service examination. See, this is very important for women empowerment. Smartphones gives access to education, jobs and businesses, government schemes. So this is highly important for GS paper 2 and GS paper 1. Then digital divide is being created. India already has a gender digital gap. Women are less likely than men to own smartphone, use the internet. So this becomes highly important in GS paper 3 also, which is technology and development. And third is role of informal institution. Caste panchayat are not constitutional bodies, yet they still influence lives in rural India. So this becomes important in GS paper 2, which is governance. For fundamental rights also this becomes important because this incident violates Article 14, Article 19 and 21, and this becomes important in GS paper 2 polity. Then for social reforms versus tradition this becomes important, and for mains also this becomes very important editorial.
And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.